Hi, welcome to Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary. My name is Cassie Knight. Today is June 18th, and I'm here today because of my Colloquium class, which brings together students from all majors in a series of informative and learning experiences based on ecological perspectives. We're going to start today with the history of Corkscrew, because it was originally established to protect one of the last remaining strands of bald cypress in North America. Back in the late 1800s, it was fashionable for women to wear big hats with large feather plumes, and to satisfy this demand, game hunters went out to the Everglades, 10,000 Islands, and the Big Cypress Swamp to satisfy this demand. They killed thousands of prized, beautiful birds and knocked down hundreds of nests, destroying their nesting colonies. Luckily, public outcry and the National Audubon Society stepped in later, providing the support and the much-needed protection for the sanctuary.
This is a hooch. It's not comfortable. All it does is keep you dry. Sort of.
Here in Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary, we have many different species of birds, such as the painted bunting, cardinals, woodpeckers, red-shouldered hawks, black-crowned herons, wood storks, and barred owls. We also have many different types of animals, such as fish, green tree frogs, red-bellied turtles, and other types of bugs, such as mosquitoes, grasshoppers, but above all, we also have in the lettuce patch alligators.
Can't tell me what to do.
Other than the animals here, we also have three different things here at Corkscrew that are very important to our ecosystem. The first would be the freshwater. Freshwater makes up only 3% of Earth's water. Of this, 70% is in glaciers, which means the remaining 20% is stretched to Earth's 6.5 billion people for consumption, agriculture, industry, tourism, and other uses. The next would be the ecotones. Ecotone is the word for transitional zone between two different plant communities, such as forest or prairie. The pond cypress is one of those ecotones because it's a transitional landscape between pine flatwoods and wet prairie. And then the last would be the interdependence of ecosystems. The interdependence of ecosystems is important in this sanctuary because all organisms, both land and aquatic-based, are connected to other organisms by their need for food. This results in competition and a global network of interconnections amongst other organisms.
Go.
The balance between human and non-human organisms is shaky at best. We humans no longer have to hunt and gather the food we need. Now we go to the local grocery or convenience store for the food that we want. So we take advantage of our environment. Plants, animals, you name it, we probably have abused it. Animals are becoming endangered or extinct because of humanity's actions in taking over their land or destroying their habitat. The birds are just an example of the thousands of species that have been affected due to our actions. Same with plants. This area was once a part of the Big Cypress Swamp, like the Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary, but as you can see, it has been plowed over and developed for houses for people. Cypress, we have some lily pads, we also have some wax myrtle, pine, and melaleuca trees. The melaleuca trees and the pond cypress are actually non-native to Florida.